Hey, welcome, and how you doing today? As I say, as per usual, um, I'm gonna give you a few seconds for people to come into the live if you do, um, and when you come in, please leave a comment saying like where you're from. Are you having a good day? How's the weather? How's everything over there where you are? Um, While you wait, I want to talk about something real quick. A lot of people are using AI wrong. They type in basic prompts and getting basic answers, and then saying AI doesn't work for them. It's like buying a gym membership and only using the parking lot, not knowing the logic that you could actually go inside the gym and get the type of results that you would like. What I do and what I teach at Promptify is prompt engineering. That can sound complicated, but it literally just means knowing how to talk to AI so it gives you something you can actually use. So today I'm going to show you in a topic, and by the end of this, you'll be able to do this yourself in about 5 minutes. And everything I show you is inside Promptify. The link is in the bio, and you can start for free. Excuse me. So for today, um, like so the idea that we'll talk about today is uh make one useful workflow fit a specific person, or the same AI prompt is not equally useful for everyone, and here's how to adapt it. So here's the thing: one generic prompt gives a generic output. um I changed three fields before I use it. So that, let's say, like, for example, there's three things you can change to adapt this uh, in other ways, right? So a generic AI prompt is not, excuse me, a generic AI prompt is often not wrong. It's just too broad to create something a real person can use today, or maybe a specific person with specific thing can use. So when I adapt a workflow, I change three things: who the person is, what they are trying to finish, and what constraint is real for them. So, like, do they have some type of preference or negotiable or non-negotiable thing that they need to include? Any type of detail, because you're trying to tailor it to them, right? So, and that's me expanding on the word constraint. Take daily planning. A student may be Let's take daily planning, for example. A student may be working around class times and an assignment deadline, right? A freelancer may need to balance client delivery with administration, right? A busy professional may have meetings that limit focus work. So what happens is these people in these types of positions, or apply it wherever you see fit, there's not just one thing that they're doing multiple things, and there's things that can eat away time and energy from other things, right? So how can you organize that so you make sure the necessities get taken care of, or how can you overall manage all of this better so that you get the highest output possible and all these things? And how can you discuss with AI how you can do this? So the underlying workflow is the same: soft tasks, choose the next action, and keep later work from crowding today. But the output should look different because the day looks different. Um, so I'm not at this yet, but let me just explain this and then I'll do the prompt after. So on screen, I'm using the same base prompt three times. I change only the audience, the current task, and the constraint. Notice that I am not claiming it knows their life. I am giving it context so it can organize the information more usefully. So you're giving it the context, you're giving it all it needs to know about the life, right? So it's not pretending, it's using the data that you give it. Then I check the result against the actual list. If the task order is unrealistic, I change it. If a deadline is missing, I add it. AI can help reduce the blank page feeling, but the person using the plan knows what their day can hold. So specific does not mean complicated. It means the prompt has enough real context to return a useful first draft. So Promptify is free to start, and the link is in the bio. Now, what I'll do real quick is, like I said, I need to actually put the prompt on the screen and show you. So I'm going to do that actually right now during this video. Now, I'm going to make sure that all my information that I would have put in this prompt is filled in. So I'm not filling it in the prompt. I've been talking with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has all the information I would use for these examples, so that when you see the prompt, you can just copy and paste that prompt. Like, it's not tailored to me specifically. It's tailored to the idea that I'm talking about. But my information has been added in prior to me actually putting this prompt in. So it's going to fill in the blanks for me. All right. So, ready? So on the screen, let me scroll up a little bit. So we have the prompt right here at the top, and I'm just going to zoom out and then show you the results from that prompt. I'm just scrolling, showing that. You can pause it and read what it says. Now here's the thing. So here's the thing. If you'd like access to high quality prompts like this and more, you can find them inside Promptify, and it's free to start, and the link is in the bio. Now, if there's anything that I said that was helpful for you, that is amazing, and I hope you have a great day.